See the snowball, Bella?
I slid twice. That was pretty scary.
Get it, Bella! Get the snowball! Get the snowball! Daddy's getting another one. Make her beg. There you go.
Rachel. Come look at this. Max.
Oh.
Go flush.
Did you get it, Bella? Did you get it? Get it, Bella?
She loves the snow.
Get the snow, Bella.
We're getting any snow on that camera.
I'm not. I'm staying underneath.
Do it. Come on, run! I was sliding.
Please don't fall.
What?
It's funny, when she's rolling it down the hill, it was getting bigger.
Yeah. That's what we said inside. We said she was making a snowman. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here come Bella.
Bella.
How many inches do we have already? Here she comes. Matthew.
Come on, Bella. Bella. Here, Bella.
Daddy's got a snowball, Bella. Oh, I can't see her. She's behind the tree.